Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our SkillShop card is looking great, but we can make it even more user friendly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design and build a responsive product details pop-up model from scratch using HTML, Tailwind CSS and JavaScript. A model is a powerful UI tool that allows users to view deep details of a skill, like the full description and curriculum, without ever leaving the cart. This keeps the checkout flow smooth and increases the chances of a successful sale. Now let's go to our website. This is my cart page. When I click this product image, you can see the pop-up model. You can see one side the product image and product level. Other side you can see the product title, seller's name and small description. And also you can see the price in bold color. You can close this model by clicking this close icon. You can click any product image and see this pop-up model. Now let's look at our code. This is our bio-dashboard.php file. Before we display the card, we bundle all the product information into a clean PHP array, $product data array. Instead of just printing values, we create a structured array containing the title, seller name, level, price, image and description. The JSON encode magic. This is the most critical part. We use JSON encode $product data to convert that PHP array into a JSON string. This allows us to pass complex data directly into a JavaScript function as an argument. JSON hex APOS. We use this flag to handle single quotes safely. It prevents the code from breaking if a course title or description contains an apostrophe. The interactive trigger. We have turned the entire product card into a clickable button. On click Open Product Model. When a user clicks the card, it triggers a JavaScript function named Open Product Model. Because we passed the JSON data earlier, the function instantly receives every detail it needs to fill the pop-up model. Cursor pointer. By adding this Tailwind class, we give the user a visual cue that this entire area is. We start our model with a fixed container that covers the entire screen, fixed in Z0, Z100. The Z100 ensures the model stays on top of every other element on the page, including the navigation bar. Backdrop blur SM. We use a background blur effect. This helps dim the card page and focus the user's focus entirely on the product details they are reviewing. By adding the close product model function to the overlay click, we follow modern UX standards where a user can tap anywhere outside the box to close it. This model is designed to look perfect on any device. MD Flex RAW. On mobile, the image and the text are stacked vertically. On desktop, medium screens and up. It automatically switches to a beautiful side-by-side split view. Aspect ratio control. We use aspect ratio for the image container to maintain a cinematic look for the cursor preview image. Every detail you see here is a placeholder that will be filled by JavaScript. Notice the IDs like model title, model ESC and model price. These are the targets our JavaScript used to inject the actual course data you clicked on. Since course descriptions can be long, we used Max H56 Overflow Y Auto. This allows the user to scroll through the text inside the model without breaking the overall layout. To give Skillshop a high-end feel, we added a smooth transition. The scale 94, opacity 0. Initial state means that when the model opens, it subtly grows in size and fades in simultaneously. This 300 millisecond transition makes the interaction feel fluid and expensive. This is our JavaScript part, the Open Product Model function. This function is the bridge that takes our PHP data and injects it into the UI. We use .innerText to map the JSON data properties like title, seller, and price directly to our HTML elements. This ensures the model always helps the correct information for the specific item clicked. The strip checks if an image URL exists. If it does, it displays the image. If not, it hides the image tag and reveals a professional placeholder emoji. This prevents broken image icons from appearing on your site. We set document.body.style.overflow hidden. This is a crucial UX step that prevents the user from scrolling the background card page while the model is open. We use a tiny set timeout of 10 milliseconds. This gives the browser a split second to recognize that the hidden class is gone before we apply the opacity 100 and scale 100 classes, which triggers that smooth zoom in animation. The close product model function. Closing the model needs to be just as smooth as opening it. First, we remove the opacity and scale classes because we defined the transition in our CSS Tailwind. The model will be to fade out and shrink. We use a set timeout for 300 milliseconds. This measures our CSS transition duration, ensuring the model only becomes hidden after the animation has completely finished. Finally, we set the body overflow back to auto, allowing the user to continue browsing their cart. And that wraps our tutorial on building a responsive product details model. By combining smart PHP data injection with smooth JavaScript animations, we have added a layer of professional polish that significantly improves the user experience of our cart. So this is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for joining with me, and I'll see you again with another video. Goodbye everyone, and have a nice day all.